problem 15, section 6.1, James Stewart, single variable calculus. We're trying to find the area between two functions, and we're given y equals secant squared x, y equals cosine x, and from negative pi over 3 to pi over 3. And first you want to draw the graph of these two functions, and our cosine graph would look like this. And since it's 8 cosine, you shift up 8 points. And this is our secant graph, and secant is just 1 over cosine, so you just flip it, and since it's squared, it's a little wider. And after you do that, you want to draw the rectangle right here, and dx. The next step you want to do is to find the point of intersection. To do that, you set secant squared x equals 8 cosine x, and secant squared x essentially is just 1 over cosine squared x equals 8 cosine x. Multiply cosine squared x on both sides, you'll end up with 1 equals 8 cosine cubed x, and you divide 8 both sides. Cosine cubed x will equal 1/8, x equals 1/2. Cosine 1/2 equals pi over 3. So from 0 to pi over 3, this covers this region of the graph, and now you can actually find the area. And to find the area, you take the integral of the top function minus the bottom function. In this case, take the integral, and our top function is 8x cosine. So 8 cosine x, sorry. 8 cosine x minus the bottom function, secant squared x dx. Now, and 0 to pi over 3. Now, this 0 to pi over 3 only covers this portion of the graph. We also need to take this negative pi over 3 to 0 into account. And as you can see, 8 cosine x is still the top, and secant squared x is still the bottom. So you can just take the integral of this and multiply it by 2, since they're symmetrical. So now we have our equation set up. We can finally integrate. 8 cosine x will be 8 sine x, minus integral of secant squared x is just tan x, and multiplied by 2. And it's from 0 to pi over 3. And 0, if you plug in 0 to this function, it will just be 0. So you just need to plug in pi over 3 and just solve it. So 8 sine pi over 3 equals 8 times root 3 over 2 minus tan pi over 3, which is root 3 over 2 divided by 1/2, which is, so 2 cancels out, and you'll essentially get 4 root 3 minus root 3 times 2, and then 2 times 3 root 3, and your answer will come out to 6 root 3. Harder, better, faster, stronger.